My job as a firefighter is important to me because it puts me in a position to be able to help people. And I think the easy answer is to say that we're here to help people when they're in need with a fire or a medical emergency, but really it's more important to me than that. Throughout my career, I've been able to interact with people on the worst day of their life, and in many cases I feel like that interaction has been something that stayed with them for the rest of their life.
Yeah, I don't think I really chose to become a paramedic. I think becoming a paramedic chose me. I do this because it is a lot of fun. It's exciting. You get to make an impact.
Our SRU team is a very professional team, and we pride ourselves on that. The reason I wanted to be in SWAT is for the camaraderie and to be a part of an elite group. SWAT operators aren't better than any other officers. We just have additional training with tactics and weapons. All officers know the dangers of the job, but SWAT operators are prepared to go up against the worst of the worst.
It's the thrill of the chase, putting the bad guys in jail. Being on the SWAT team gives us a lot of training opportunities. We live in what I call a living and breathing profession. You know, we have to stay one step ahead of the criminal. We do that by training. Always expect to win, and always expecting to win comes with training. You know, we train like we fight, and we fight like we train.
After high school, I was looking for a job that was both challenging physically and mentally, and firefighting just fit the mold. Not only having the medical training, but also having a family of my own, having a child who's had medical problems in the past and has medical needs today. I think I really help out on those calls. I think I could really take my, what I've learned in my personal life along with me in my medical training and combine it to really serve our community.
I would never be able to do this job on my own. It's definitely a team effort. I love being around my brothers here that I work with. That's what drives me to come to work every day, knowing that when I go inside of a fire or when I go in on a medical scene, someone's got my back. Someone's always there with me. This is my, my second family.
It was almost as if we were preparing for a battle.
I came back with some shotguns and basically took out that family.
The adrenaline rush I felt that day, and seeing how things went down.
I know I can speak for the entire crew when I tell you we were simply doing the jobs we were trained to do.